Hello children, welcome back to English class. I am happy to meet you all again. So you see children, we are meeting through the technology only, isn't it? The technology has moved so fast. We are not just facing each other front, just through the technology. We are meeting solely with our souls, just not face to face, isn't it? So we will practice for unit 2 now. For the unit 2, that is speak the truth. Okay. Page number 14 you all open children. Page number 14. Tick the correct answers. Santosh told a lie before the teacher. Yes or no? Yes. Santosh forgot to eat snacks after coming from school. False. Sandhya was the mother of Santosh. False. She was the cousin and she came to play with him. Suguna was studying in class 2. False. The teacher punished Santosh after he had admitted his mistake. False. Answer the following questions. Which class was Santosh studying in? Santosh was studying in 4th standard. Okay. Who was Sandhya? Sandhya was Santosh's cousin. Okay. Third one. Why did Sandhya come to Santosh's house? Sandhya came, it is children. A is missing there. C-A-M-E, came to play with Santosh. Fourth one. What did the teacher ask Santosh in the classroom? The teacher asked him, why have he not done his homework? Okay, why haven't he done his homework? Why haven't he done his homework? There should be a apostrophe comma after the n. It is missing. You all can write it. Fourth one. Why did Santosh not eat his food during the lunch break? Santosh did not eat his food during the lunch break because he felt very sad and he forgot to bring his lunch box also. You can write both children. You can write both. He was sad because he have lied to his teacher and he forgot to bring his lunch box also actually that day. You can write both the answers. Before also I have given, now also I am saying you can write both the answers. Question number 6. Why did Santosh admit before the teacher? Santosh admitted his mistake. What did he admit? Santosh admitted his mistakes before the teacher. Last one. Why was the teacher happy at the end? The teacher was happy at the end because Santosh told the truth. Okay. You can write only question answers children. Rest all which you can complete in the reader, write it neatly so that you should only read it. Okay. My father's brother is my uncle. My father's sister is my auntie. My uncle's or auntie's children are my cousins. Next page you see. My brother's or sister's son is my nephew. My mother's sister is my aunt. My brother's or sister's daughter is my niece. My brother's sister's children are my cousins again. My mother's mother is my grandmother. Okay. This is of your own. How many cousins you have and all. And the punctuation down. Suguna, Santosh's sister, was studying spelling. Y is missing there. Studying in class 7 in the same school. She saw her brother. There is a full stop after the school. She saw her brother sitting alone and came to him. Why are you not eating? You're looking dull. What happened? She said. You will express like this only, no? Otherwise, why are you sitting here? What happened like this? You will ask her? No. Here is a like a puzzle they have given. You have to arrange. Her answers are there. You arrange it. Okay, mother, sister, father, aunt, nephew, brother, uncle, and cousin, and niece. Okay, children. Now next you see here. Here in the next box, they have given some pictures. You have to do it, okay? And this you see that you match by expressions it is. And the seventh bit you see, I play whole evening, or you may watch whole evening also TV. You can play whole evening. Like that it is second one and third one. I have a bath every day. That is obviously everybody will. And second one, I play whole evening also. I watch. And third one, I watch the TV whole evening also. Okay. You can exchange it there, or you can write it as you do. Every night I pray to God before going to bed. And whenever I borrow books from my friends, I return it the next day. I don't eat every time I feel like eating. Nobody will do that. There is a time, there is a limit of eating. Yes or no? Now next you see, that is the communicating to each other. That is the dialogue practice. I have given it before also. Just here is a reminder for you all children. Okay. Hi Seema, have you completed your homework? Seema, no, I could not. I lost my pen. It's okay. I will lend you my pen to write they have given. You can add your own. Seema, thank you very much. And you one side of you are welcome. That is the communicating, how you communicate. See children, the 3 butterflies also you all should practice. You all read the lesson and practice it. And I want to fly. I may give the own also. And I have seen those who have brought the book. If you have written neatly, if you have written dirty, I want you all to do it neatly one time, and all the bits one by one you write, practice in the rough notebook. First you all learn, then write by it and correct yourself. Learn, write by it and correct yourself. In this way you will have the habit of learning by it also. You no need to take the help of your parents, nor your sister, nor your brother, or your teacher also. Now teacher obviously she is not there, but if they have this habit, if you cultivate this habit, it will be good for you also children. It will be good for you also. Yes or no? Yes. So I want you all to practice also this bit one by one, and you will learn something new also. Yes or no? You will have the habit of reading and completing your syllabus when the teacher will send. You will not get scoldings also from the teacher when you come back to school. And so many have not brought the books for the correction children. We request you all to bring the books when they send the message. Okay, because if you come the other day, some days the teacher will be available. Yes or no? It will be problem for you only. You can read it and nicely practice at home if the books are with you. It will harmful for our exams also, no children? It will harm there. We will score less marks if it is incomplete. Yes or no? You all are good children. I hope you all will complete it. I hope you all will complete it and bring next time when they will send the message. The 3 butterflies from the starting poem you see children. I want to fly, I may go my own. And the 3 butterflies, I hope you all understood the story of the 3 butterflies and speak the truth also. I hope you all understood and you all will do it. Okay. And one bit you write, learn it, and then go to the other bit. You practice for yourself only, not for our sake, not for your parents' sake, not for anybody else. If you practice and learn, who will score the marks? Nor your parents, nor the teachers, not your cousins, not your brother, not your sister. If you will not write, who will lose? Only you alone will lose. Not your parents, not your teacher, not your sister, brother, anybody it may be. Nobody will lose. Who is having profit of doing the work here? Your job is only to study and study and study now, and your parents job they will do, your job you do. You see how happy you will feel. Yes or no? Yes. See you in the next class, children. Bye.